Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix a Fiverr gig that's been denied. If you've created a gig and it got rejected, don't worry. This is actually a common issue that can be resolved by editing your gig to meet Fiverr's guidelines and resubmitting it for approval. First, open your web browser and head over to fiverr.com. Go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. Before we dive into the steps, here's something important to understand. When a gig gets denied on Fiverr, it simply means it didn't follow their community standards or terms of service. The good news is that denied gigs can be edited and resubmitted. If your gig gets denied even after making changes, you may need to create a completely new one that aligns with Fiverr's rules. But let's focus on fixing the existing one first. Once you're logged in, look at the top menu and click on My Business. Then from the drop-down options, select Gigs. This will take you to your gigs dashboard where you can see all your active, paused, and denied gigs. In that same top menu area, you'll see different tabs. Click on the one labeled Denied. This tab specifically shows all the gigs that Fiverr has rejected. Now, I don't currently have any denied gigs in my account, but I'm going to walk you through what you'd see if you did. So we're going to pretend there's a denied gig here so you can follow along clearly. When you spot your denied gig in the list, look right beside it. You'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and select Edit. This opens up your gig editor where you can make the necessary changes. Inside the editor, you'll need to open the section that matches the problem Fiverr identified. Common sections include Overview, Description, Requirements, or Gallery. For instance, let's click on Overview. Here you can change the gig title if it needs updating. Make sure your title is clear, accurate, and doesn't violate any policies. Next, select the correct category and subcategory for the service you're offering. This step is crucial because placing your gig in the wrong category can lead to denial. Double check that everything aligns with Fiverr's policy. Once you've made those adjustments, click Save. Now move on to the description and other required fields. Type a clear, detailed description that explains exactly what you're offering. Add any required frequently asked questions, and make sure to upload at least one original image that you own. Using someone else's image or a stock photo without proper rights can get your gig denied again. After filling this out, click Save. Continue filling up all the needed information, especially in any sections that were flagged as denied. Pay close attention to your gig images in Gallery. Use a clean design tool like Canva to create your visuals. Make sure your images meet the minimum required size and aren't blurry. Don't use stolen images, logos, or anything promotional or unrealistic. Fiverr reviews these carefully, so keep everything professional and original. Once you've gone through every section and made all necessary corrections, you'll reach the Publish section. This is where you finalize everything. Click Publish Gig, and your updated gig will be sent back to Fiverr for review. They'll check it against their guidelines, and if everything's in order, it should get approved. And that's how you fix a denied Fiverr gig. By carefully editing each section and ensuring you follow Fiverr's rules, you can get your gig live and start receiving orders. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.